Dear students, today I am going to discuss a very important question repeatedly asked in NEET and one of the common doubt of the most of the students. This question is actually related to calculation of order of reaction when complex reactions involving more than one elementary steps are given. As we all know that order of reaction is equal to the summation of power of all the concentration terms involved in the rate law. But dear students, remember rate law does not has any intermediate in its expression. It can have either reactant or product or catalyst involved in the reaction. During calculation of order of reaction, we will write the rate of reaction by using the slow step, which is step number 2. So if we will write a rate of reaction by step 2, it will be rate of reaction is equal to K concentration of X concentration of Y2. If we will give answer of order of reaction over here, then order of reaction will be equal to 1 plus 1, 2. But this is the wrong answer because we already discussed that in rate law intermediate should not be present, and here X is intermediate. So we have to replace this X in the terms of reactant or product of the reaction we have. So to eliminate the intermediate X, we will use the step number 1, which is an equilibrium step. If we will write equilibrium constant by using equation number 1, then it will be equilibrium constant K is equal to X into X divided by X2. So if we will calculate the X with the help of this one, this X comes out to be K equilibrium raised to the power 1 by 2 and X2 raised to the power 1 by 2. And if we will substitute this X in the expression of rate of reaction, then it will convert in the form of rate of reaction is equal to K equilibrium constant raised to the power 1 by 2 X2 raised to the power 1 by 2 Y2 power 1. Now we can give the order of reaction is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. This comes out to be 3 by 2, or you can say this is equal to 1.5, and that is as per option number 4. So dear student, remember during calculation of order of reaction for complex reaction, first we will write the rate of reaction by using slow step, and if that slow step will have any intermediate, we will replace that intermediate in the terms of either reactant concentration or product concentration, and based on that we will report the answer of order of reaction. Thank you.